Hey guys, welcome to the Stu Sells Team's brand new listing. Now we are in the Upper Beaches area of Toronto, just between Kingston Road and Gerrard. And you know what I love about this area? Because it's so peaceful, so quiet. It's like being in the country. But you know what the best thing is, that if you want to go to the beaches, it's right there. If you want to go to Leslieville, it's right there. If you want to go up to the main GO station and Main and Danforth, it's right there. You can walk to so many great little communities that it's an awesome location. Now, I'm going to tell you a great secret about this bungalow. It's a raised bungalow. So much potential. You can add on to it. You can do a second story. You can renovate it and turn it into what you want. There's so much potential here that it's a great long-term real estate investment, because bungalows can always be cheap stories. So they're popular for builders. They're properties for families that are having tons of kids and they need more space. But this place is super, super cool. We've got some great, leaded glass. We've got skylights. We've got a funky, cool kitchen. We have a great living room with a brick fireplace. There's so much room in here. The basement is high. It's a solid built 2+1 bedroom bungalow with 2 bathrooms. Ton of potential in the basement to make an in-law suite. So much going on here. So look, go to stusells.ca, see all the photos and the videos, and give me Stu a call for a personal tour.